In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Google Workspace domain. We'll walk through the exact clicks inside Google Workspace to add a domain and make it your primary domain. Before you begin, sign in with an administrator account that has permission to manage your organization. It also helps to be logged into the correct Google Workspace profile in your browser. Start by opening the Google Apps menu. That's the grid icon you'll find near the top right of most Google pages. Click it to open the launcher, then choose Admin. If you don't see the admin option, make sure you're signed in with your organization's admin account and not a personal profile. Once you're in the admin console, look for the section labeled Account. This is where the core settings for your organization live. Open Account, then go to Domains. The Domains area is your control center for everything related to domain names connected to your workspace, including primary domains and any aliases your team might use. Next, open Manage Domains. Here, you'll see a list of the domains currently linked to your organization. This page lets you add a new domain, review existing ones, and get at a glance a second view of what's active. Click. Add a domain to start connecting a new domain you own. Enter the domain name exactly as registered. Adding the domain prepares Google Workspace to use it across services like Gmail, Calendar, and Drive. You may be guided through on-screen checks specific to your setup, so keep your domain registrar login handy in case you need to confirm ownership. Follow the prompts you see and wait for the console to acknowledge the domain has been added. With the new domain in place, select Change Primary Domain. This action sets the main address your organization uses, so proceed thoughtfully. Changing the primary domain affects how users sign in and how new email addresses are formed. Plan to do this during a low activity window and let your team know about the upcoming switch. The console will walk you through confirming the new primary domain. Review the details carefully, then complete the change. Afterward, you'll see the new primary domain reflected in the Manage Domains view. That's the full path. Open the Google Apps launcher, go to Admin, open Account, then Domains, manage your domains, add the one you own, and change the primary domain when you're ready. Give the system a few minutes to propagate changes across services. If anything looks out of place, refresh the admin console and review the domains page to confirm the new primary is active. Thanks for following along. By the end of these clicks, your Google Workspace is pointed at the right domain and ready for your team to use.